Does the mobile suit come in maroon?
Yeah, so it's our perfect grade Zaku 2, like Char art numbers, customized design.
Wow.
And why we bring this one to the live today is because if you are a Gundam fan, you will know like G-Quarks, the newest anime, it's just released in like a few days ago in Japan, and it was a story set it in like universal centuries, such as like similar, the same as from 0079. So, and Charles Noble is gonna be the main character for both like G-Quarks and this 0079. So that's why I bring this today.
Wow.
Yeah. The perfect grade is really a massive one.
I think we have put the green. There's a green version of this, isn't there?
Yeah. So the green version is like the normal, like all the soldiers are using the green one, but Char is he's a like very outstanding guy. He is to be normal, and so that's why he used very like eye-catchy color for his mobile suits. Yeah.
Wonderful. Let's have a look. Let's open it up and have a look in here. Got to cut out of the. So big. Such a big box,
I know,
it?
right?
But I suppose if you're going to be getting a perfect grade. Whoa! That's what he looks like.
160. Yeah.
Wow. All right, talk us through. What have we got?
So these are all the parts, and so this is actually a very early release product for the perfect grade, but it has very excellent design for its inner frame, so it's good to like play around with after you assemble all of them. Yeah, I'll see if I could find it.
Which one? The instructions?
Yeah, should be the box.
I think it's under this.
Yeah, maybe.
There it is, isn't that it?
Yeah.
Instruction manual.
Yeah.
So you get a lot of plastic.
I
in
know.
This box.
It's so satisfying to see all of this.
Just keep peeling and peeling.
Yeah.
All right. So what do we got? What are we looking at?
So if you, a little bit reflection here. So as it says, so you can like feel free to take out of the armor from the mobile suits, and showing the inner frame like design of it is very.
So in the TV show, you can see this sometimes as well, right?
Yeah, especially when it's like broken or something. Yeah, you'll see what's inside.
I thought that was just like in the models. I thought they never broke their fenders.
No, sometimes.
It's like a car. Gundams are like cars. They have a frame and then they have like fenders.
Yeah, all the mechanical things are like have similar points, I believe.
So all you car modelers, you have no excuse not to buy a Gundam, right?
Yeah, definitely.
So this is it here. It's got some color photos.
Yeah.
What else have we got? Story?
Yeah.
Good luck reading it. Okay, so that's obviously the green one.
Yeah.
Yep, so there's a couple of differences that they're pointing out.
Yeah.
Very cool.
I know, it's very hardcore.
Wow, that's really... Look at this photo here. Let's zoom in on that a little bit. Look at that. He's on the moon.
So it's like they made up the story for how like Zeon created this mobile suits. It's a like completed story behind it. Oh. Yeah, that's the concept drawing. And
so these are different colors that you can paint it.
Yeah.
So it's not just red.
Yeah, definitely.
Wow. So that's just your painting guide.
Yeah, kind of.
Very cool. And then there's the construction manual.
Yeah, I believe it is.
Wow, lots of parts.
Yeah, tons of things you need to work on.
Yeah, of course. But patience is rewarding. If you have your patience, you'll build a really nice model.
I believe. And this one is like very faithfully designed based on anime 0079. So if you're a Gundam fan, or even you're not touching Gundam ever, it's always a good start point if you want to try the perfect grade, I believe. Yeah.
What? So this is like for someone who wants to spend hours building a Gundam, right?
Yeah, definitely.
What have you got for us today? What's this? Is this if you want something in 10 seconds?
Yeah, so if you want something like very, very quick, like in approximately 1 hour or even 30 minutes, I
Yeah.
believe, you can try the SD series Gundam.
So I'm gonna time you, am I?
Yes, you can.
I'm gonna time you.
Okay.
So we've got Kawa here with this Gundam. We've talked about the MS-06, the Zaku. Now we're going to the
Double
O Gundam.
Yeah.
I'm gonna time Kawa how long it takes her to build this SD Gundam. I didn't tell Kawa I was doing this, but what do you reckon? Shall I count you in? You ready to do it?
Yeah. Shall I just quickly?
Wait, no,
No,
it's she started.
Okay.
All right,
okay,
there we
yeah,
go.
yeah,
We've started.
Let's go. Yeah.
Well,